Hello, everyone, and welcome back. News headlines in English to speak in the school morning assembly of 3rd July. And first of all, national news. PM Modi embarked on five-nation visit. He said India committed to BRICS. Judiciary should not override executive's decision to deport a foreign national, Home Ministry. Security forces arrested four militants in Manipur. Karnataka government filed appeal in High Court against CAT decision to revoke suspension of IPS officer. Jammu and Kashmir Lieutenant Governor Manoj Sinha flagged off first batch of Amarnath Yatra pilgrims from Jammu. BJP leader Rabindra Chawal appointed as new state president of Maharashtra. And now some international news. Iran's president ordered country to suspend cooperation with UN nuclear watchdog IAEA. Sri Lanka launched Hindi course with the Indian collaboration. Fiji registered strong opposition to Chinese military presence in South Pacific. Ghana launched climate resilient wheat initiative in collaboration with India. President Trump administration suspended part of Ukraine military aid after stockpile review. Now some sports news. World Boxing Cup, two Indian female pugilists reached semi-finals assuring medals. Canada Open Badminton, Ira Sharma beat Germany's Wilson in women's singles qualifier match. Women's T20 cricket, India defeated host England by 24 runs in second match of Bristol. News related to business. Assam's Bhulah tea secured patent for India's first backless tea. Indian Railways' new charting system to be implemented in a week. HDB Financial Services listed at 13% premium over IPO price. Deal with much less tariffs. Trump on India US trade agreement. And that's all in news. Thank you.